party pals. Ooh. We are obviously heading to Disney. Ooh. Come on, focus. But it's a very fun day today because it's the start of Christmas season and it's Disney Plus Day, so all the above. So it's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to see the fireworks, the parades, the decorations, everything like that. So last night was merriest night, so I guess technically last night was the start of it, but today's the start of like for the regular ticket people or whoever, but you know, whatever. So make sure you follow along because it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm very excited. I hope I get to see snow on Main Street maybe, but we'll see. Currently parked at Pixar and Pals. Hey Pals. To head into the parks. Hi, blue carpet. Hi, Disney Plus decorations and Christmas decor. Avi. We got this cute little button right here. But before we do any of the fun, oh, here we go. Hi, Disney Plus Day. Christmas stuff. I have got to use the restroom. I was so excited to get over here. I just floored it out of my apartment and didn't even think twice. But now here we are. And I need to go. Alright, now that that's taken care of, we're here for Christmas. Oh, so pretty. And I know it's going to be even prettier at night. But, God, I love the holidays. Just makes everything so much better, but right now, we're going to check to see if a lot of people are camping out for the parade already, because if they are, that's a long time, but hour and a half, so, but I kind of want to do it too because I want to front rows, you know what I mean? Like, my first time seeing this parade, my first parade since the pandemic's been. Like, hello, of course I have to. Alright, my babes, I decided to get a spot already because look at all the people already sitting. Oops, sorry. No, I'm at a weird level, but I have to get a good spot, so we're right next to my best friend, Trash. Hi, Trash. Oh, God, so it's only 4 o'clock right now, so we have an hour and a half, so I'm gonna have to entertain myself or something, but oh well, it'll totally be worth it. I'm so excited. Yay!
Good afternoon. The Disneyland Band is proud to invite you to join our march down Main Street, USA, as together we celebrate America. The merriest season of all, as Disneyland proudly presents A Christmas Fantasy.
Y'all.
Today and every day to welcome you here.
Wow. So cute. I love that. That was so much fun. It was really long. I didn't realize how long it was. But now it's time to find food and then probably post up the fireworks. But here's the fun decor. Oh, love, love, love Christmas time. And there's a parade still, Avi. Wow. I'm so excited this time's here again. Yay! The pretty castle. Let's get up closer to it so we can even better. Oh, pretty. Wow. Love that. Cute, pretty. I wish the icicles lit up. That'd be pretty cool. Kind of like the old Cinderella castle, but it is 6. And people are already posted up for front row. Damn, y'all. It's crazy here. I thought waiting an hour extra for fireworks at Magic Kingdom or in Florida was bad. What the heck? But I loved the parade again. I feel a lot better now that I'm out in the open. I tried to film right once people left and it was just like people flying everywhere. The lights went out, it was dark, but it was awesome. It was so cool. So many floats, so many characters, so many performers. It was amazing. But got a grilled cheese and soup from the Jolly Holiday. Even though it's not a holiday like specialty, it just sounded like what the mood I was going for, I guess, if that makes sense. But oh yeah, so now we wait here on Main Street for our food. Let it focus a little bit. I think I'm gonna try to stand for the fireworks somewhere like, I don't know, like right around here-ish maybe, kind of like right by the partner statue, maybe a little bit back. Just, but I want to be like on the middle of Main Street, I think, like right here in between the little crates things. So we'll see. We'll see what people are doing once I get my food, and if I already have to sit, or if like they're all gonna go that way and wait a while to kind of post up over here. I kind of hope to get a spot where no one's in front of me because it's like a crossway. So I think maybe like right in here. And let's look. Oh, yeah. It's not focusing very well, but yes, this is what I want. Beautiful. All right, here's another stroll down Main Street while we wait for our food. So beautiful with all the Christmas stuff. So pretty. And then the tree at the end there, wow. Simply gorgeous, if you ask me. And then all the stuff on the buildings too. Wow, I love this. Oop. Love it. But I'm gonna go check out some of the the gift shops. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word, the gift shops, to see what they have for Christmas. I already got this little Spirit jersey that's red. Cause that's what I wanted the other day when I was here and it was here. So I feel like it's kind of Christmassy, but not like full. You know what I mean? Y'all. That was unweighted. But it's okay, because we got it. And honestly, I'm just hangry. Work took it out of me today, so I need caffeine. I need some grilled cheese soup, and I got a little first cup as well. And I definitely need this. See,
I need one that's
it's not from the car, so I would take a bite of it right now, but I'm sure it's really good. I need some food to enjoy these fireworks, babe. But look, the castle's right through there. It's about 7, so we have about 2 hours until the fireworks show, so got some time, which is nice, just to kill and relax, and then the fireworks, yay! Whew. All right, y'all. I feel so much better after all that food. I was crashing hard. Whew. But we're back, don't worry. That was bad. I thought I was gonna have to leave before the fireworks. Oop, step. Y'all know I don't love, or I don't leave before fireworks ever. No, that's not how I roll. So, but I'm doing a little bit of walking because I know that, not Space Mountain, It's a Small World, has a really cool, like, light show, and I think I could see it through. Oh my god. I don't know if you can't really see it that good yet. Oh my god. So I know they like had like a sliding thing at like 5:15, but the parade was at 5:30, and when I walked in basically yesterday and the line was already on Main Street for the parade, I had to wait. So oh well. Let's keep heading so you all can see if you've never seen this before. It is so cool. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna keep walking up there and I'll bring you guys back out in just a second. Oh my god. It is so cool. I'm not putting you away, actually. I need to act like people are watching this with me. Or like, there are, but like, friends. Oh, you can kind of see it now. Wow. Oh my god. This is more than the pictures do it justice. Oh my god, here. Come on. Oh, you can't, it's not really focusing yet. Oh my god. Amazing. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. I'm just, oh there it is. I'm weaving in and out of people. Excuse me. Oh my god. This is incredible. Oh my god. As I used to say when I was younger, holy guacamole. Oh my god. And the train's coming through. This is so magical. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna take this in for just a bit. Thank goodness, y'all, I didn't sit on those ones. Y'all see how cute these are? Oh my god, I am obsessed. Oh my god, I would have been so mad if I had bought those, like, I think they're not gingerbread, but like the red ones, and I saw these. I saw someone else wearing these, but I thought they were probably online, but they're not. I got them by the little store by the Matterhorn. So cute. I love them, but this day has, well, my mood has turned around. I didn't even scream during the parade, which, you know, I love to do, so we knew that there was something going on. So I think I'm just gonna walk around still some more. I'm not quite ready to go back to Main Street and find all that chaos and craziness yet, because it already is, especially up front. But my spot that I want is still open, and like no one looked like they were even getting there. So I think maybe in like 30 minutes I'll head that way. But yeah, cute. These were $40, I think, with tax before the Magic Key discount, and then like 34 with it, maybe. My math probably doesn't add up there, but something like that. Yeah, but they're super cute. They're really nice, and it says Spirit Jersey on the side, so like, hello. Oh my god, girls. And here I was, excuse me, sorry, complaining that they didn't have icicles light up, but they do. Oh my god. You can't really tell. I need a new camera, but it's snowing. Oh my god.
embarrassing.
Oh my god.
Like I told you, wishes really
Oh my God. Oh. I'm crying. Y'all, I really thought those castles didn't light up. I am such a newbie to all this. Oh shoot. Main Street's getting busy. Shoot. But oh my God. That was beautiful. I literally came out of the bathroom and was like, what's going on? I was like, well, I thought it was the firework issue. I was like, oh, that was the fireworks. So I was like, oh my God, I'm missing them. But it wasn't. It was just them lighting up the castle. I love it so much. Oh, people aren't lined up yet, so that's good. Amazing. Wow, look at it. Oh, there's just a different air in Disney during Christmas time. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna ask a cast member about where they mark off, like, emergency route. I think I got my spot. I'm literally just standing in the middle of Main Street while people just like flood around me. But I want my spot, and the guy said I could stand here and people could just go around because he knows how much spots mean to people. So I think there's gonna be a rope like right in front of me. So hopefully people can't stand in front of me, so at least I can just be like, bang, watching the fireworks right here. Oh. Right here with the castle right through the trees. Hopefully the fireworks are like right there. Oh God, but let's just talk about my ears again. Aren't they just the cutest thing ever? Here we come. Ooh, yep. So, well, we have about an hour to go. So, wish me luck I don't get ran over by someone and that this is actually the spot I want. It smells so good. Oh yeah. We got a rope.
Don't step off it when it's over. Here we are. Hold on for dear life. Yes, try not to get trampled.
Does your heart hold the magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again? Now is the time to open your heart, believe in that magic, and remember those treasure homes. They're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you once more. So come on, as the magic of the season leads the way.
finale. Holiday fireworks show premiere, ruined by the winds. But at least this time we got to see most of it, just not the finale, which, you know, was a good part. But the rest of it was amazing. Teared up because I've been watching that show since I was a little kid on YouTube, so it was really surreal just like watching it in real life. And I got my spot, which was really awesome. So I guess I'll just have to come back to watch the finale with my new ears. So I think I'm just gonna walk around just a bit. I'm in Frontierland right now because I was just walking. But walk around just a little bit, let traffic kind of die down a bit from everyone leaving, and then head out because I am very tired. But it's been an awesome first kickoff to the holidays, and I cannot wait to come back a lot. Oh wow. Here we are, y'all. Up close and personal with the beautiful Sleeping Beauty Castle, all decorated for the holidays. God, I love it. So pretty, so beautiful. And then if we just turn around here, you can kind of see Main Street. Well, not on camera, but down that way. Oh, and everyone's just waiting for little Sleeping Beauty to open on up. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Yes. Come on, New Orleans Square. With the Christmas decor. They really go all out everywhere here. Wow. I love this. Cute. Never actually walked back here. I was hoping to snag a little mint julep bar, but I don't think that's gonna happen. We can go look at the line though, but I don't know where this goes. Just keep going backwards. I have never been back here in my life. Wow. Oh, the Christmas decorations just kind of stopped though. Boom. Wow. Oh, no they don't. Here they are. Cute. But yeah. I wanted a peppermint beignet, but I don't think it's going to happen tonight. The mobile order's already sold up, and I doubt they're taking a line. There's a line. Oops. So maybe, but maybe not as well. I don't know. Oh my god, y'all. Through thick and thin, I got my mint julep and some peppermint beignets. Oh, I'm so excited. I just kept like refreshing the mobile order page over and over and over. And finally, I only had to wait like 20 minutes, so let's take a bite. Let me set you up right here. Ears. Okay. Shake these bad boys up. Just look at this little cute pink. Well, you can't really tell on camera actually at all. Oh, there you can. Because they're peppermint. So good. I'm glad I waited. I was about to leave, but
there's so many tables up.
so good. Oh, y'all. I'm super glad that I stuck to my guns and got those beignets because so good. It was like a little more than a hint of peppermint, but not like peppermint, like, you know, like in your face. Just, it was great. I love peppermint though, so it could have been a lot for some people, but highly recommend that. So, unfortunately, I think I'm gonna leave. 1, my head hurts. 2, I got a big day tomorrow because we're going to a Britney brunch and I gotta get ready for that, so, you know, whatever. So we're gonna stroll down Main Street one more time, which I'll show you, but thank you so much for following along and watching. I hope you got to see a little bit of the Christmas stuff. I'll be back definitely a lot more. My brother's coming into town next weekend, and so we'll have him here, and it'll just be a lot of fun. So let's just turn you around real quick. And look at some of these Christmas decorations. Pretty Frontierland, but yeah, so make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and let's go see Main Street one more time. One more look for tonight. Beautiful. And we'll turn this way. The Jolly Holiday. Oh man, lots of people still here for 10:30-ish. I mean, I guess it does close at 12:30 or 12. Here it is. Whee! Pretty. I love that it sparkles, or blinks, or whatever the correct term is, but it's beautiful. Wow. I am going to be here a lot this holiday season. Pretty. Oh, and I love that the star will line up perfectly with the wreath. I guess I need to watch where I'm going, but alright.